Do you know you can actually use your phone as a webcam in OBS without installing any app on your phone, without installing any software on your system, without installing any plugin? I'm going to be using my phone webcam, my phone camera as a webcam in my OBS. Stay tuned in this video. Don't forget my name is Velasco. This is Extensivo. Alright, to do that, just go to your Chrome or to your browser, any browser you're using, and search for OBS Ninja. OBS Ninja. And once you search for OBS Ninja, you're gonna see this VDO.Ninja. Click on it, VDO.Ninja. I have it opened on this other tab here. This is it over here. When you open it, you're gonna see this. Then you see add your camera to OBS. You can use it to create a room also. You can use it to remotely share your screen in OBS, screen share. You can create a usable invite. A usable invite is what we're going to be using today. So click on create a reusable invite. Then we're going to have to give it a name. Just name it. Let me name it Extensivo. Extensivo. Yes. Then just go directly to generate invite link. You can check the quality settings also if you want. Unlock the video bitrate 20 Mbps. You can use anything you want to use. You can use a particular quality you want to use. I'm going to be using 720 because my phone is not really a high spec phone, so I'm going to be using 720 so it won't just automatically pick a particular quality. Yes, so this also for user options, I think it should just be that way. Then yes, generate an invite link. This is the guest link. The link we're going to copy to send it to the person's phone we're using. This is over here. I'm just going to click on copyright. I want to copy it. Yes, so let me enter my WhatsApp so I can send it to myself on my phone, and I'll use my phone as a webcam. Just click on the link on this phone and we're going to use it like that. Alright, so I have the link over here. I sent it to my phone, this particular link. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Yes, this is over here. I don't know if you can see it. If I try recording my screen, I won't be able to also use my camera. That's what I'm trying to show you from here. So this is what it's going to be like actually. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can see it though. So we're going to click on share your camera over here. Click on share your camera. So they'll tell you if you want to use a particular camera also. So you click on yes, allow. You can use allow while visiting the site or allow this time. So just use on allow this time alone. So this is my camera over here, right? The camera source, this is over here. Okay, this one, I'm using front camera though. That's why it's showing you this. So I'm going to switch it to the camera facing back. This is over here. So we're going to use this particular camera. You can see my hand waving. Yeah, so that's it. Then my audio source, this is my audio source over here. You can use no audio because I'm going to use my particular microphone for my audio. But if you want it with audio also, you can click on default. Default is your audio. If you have an earpiece, something like this, if you have an earpiece connected to your particular phone, you are going to have to use headset earpiece. Yes, so you have a speakerphone, you're going to speakerphone also, you can use anyone. So we use the default. Yes, we use default to see that our audio is, you can see it sounding like yeah. The more I talk, the more it's increasing. I say hello, hallelujah. Yeah. So we click on start camera, my back camera, right? So just click on start camera. Then this is over here. It's portrait right now. It's portrait. If you want to rotate it, you just have to rotate your phone. Then you see it over here. Rotated. I rotated my phone so you can see it over here. So I'm gonna just keep this. I'm gonna switch it to the front, so it will be me over here. I'm gonna just hang it somewhere here. Then let me just show you how to do it on the system. For the system, this is the link for the system. You just copy this link. Actually, no, the link is reusable, like they said. So copy this, go to your OBS. Then in your OBS, you're gonna click on the add source. You want to add a new input. Then you click on the browser. You want to add browser cam. Let's say this is for OBS Ninja. Oh, okay, no, don't let's add that with that. My system is really lagging. Let's turn it to cam 1. Just say cam 1. Click on OK. Enter. Alright, so for that cam 1, we want to select what particular video source, the URL. We paste the URL we copied in the link there. Yes, then we also want to change the particular width, that's the size we used. You know, over here in our Chrome we're using, well, okay, it's on the other side. We actually selected 720. So you know our particular qualities. If you're using because it's a full HD, that's FHD, you're gonna have to use 1920 by 1080. But I'm not using that. I want to use HD version. That should be 1280 by 720. Yes, because my phone is not really clear. It's good, but I'm not using Samsung, I'm not using iPhone, that's why, so it's not really clear. So I was able to control my audio via OBS. Yes, control my audio via OBS. Then what else? I think that is okay. We click on OK, and you should see your camera over here. This is the Cam 1 audio here. Alright, if they give you something like this, I can just have to allow access, because by default the thing is kind of suspicious, so you have to allow access. Like, okay, this is not suspicious, it's me that actually giving it access to use my particular phone as my webcam. So you can see it over here. This is how it is, fresh, easy as that. The quality is because of the quality I actually chose, which is 720. So you can increase your quality if your system is actually a high spec system. My system is not really good. You can see the CPU is really draining down right now. So this is the best it can do. Yes, this is what it can do. So it's actually real good. I just off it. Sorry. Yep. So you can see over here. How do I show you this? All right. So you can see it over here. It's actually working, right? It's actually working. Then you can see it over there also actually working. Yes. Actually right there also actually working. Yep. So that is how you do it in this video, to use your particular phone as a webcam in OBS without using any software. This is a link, this is Sabbath, this is cloud. This is what streamers use to actually stream, because they can actually put their system over here and carry their phone way anywhere in around the world. And in as much as your system is connected to a particular server, this is connected to a particular server, is good. You can see the reason why it's lagging over there, because they said system overload over here. You can see. Okay, let me switch this. Okay, see it over there, the whole system overload. So it's actually overloading because my system is not really compatible enough, let me put it that way. But if your system is good, you can actually try this out and it's gonna be okay. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget my name again, Yusuf Olasu Komi. This is Extensive. See you in my next video.